Hello, Alexandra. My name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Logo Leads, and I believe my wife Megan spoke with you recently about a quick website audit to show you where your company is ranking currently and how One Day Bath of Texas stacks up to its competition. Now, in this video, I'll go over a few specifics on search engine optimization, and I'll show you how beating your competitors online can have huge benefits for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining new customers. So the two things we're going to go over today are website content, including keywords, and backlinks. Now, content is going to be anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. And now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your front page, and you want it to be stuffed with keyword and keyword phrases that have to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'll be looking at things like remodelers, Austin, Texas, or bathroom remodeling contractor, Austin, Texas, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, yours is the one that pops up. Now, taking a look at your web page, it is a very, very beautiful website. I will commend you for how it's laid out. You have your coupons or your discounts up here. You have a very detailed breaking out of your different services, and it's just a very good looking website overall. You have your reviews and testimonials located on here, and so I will say that you have obviously spent a lot of time, effort, and money making the website what it is today. So I did want to give you some props on that. Now, the other thing that I did want to discuss with you is going to be centered around that content and keywords. Content-wise, you probably are at around, I would say, maybe like 500 words of content here on your homepage. So you definitely would want to increase that, because that's really what Google is looking for. And in addition to those keywords, you don't just want to throw them into a single paragraph. You want to place them throughout the homepage so that they appear to show up organically as if you're in a conversation. So typically what we suggest is keeping about one keyword phrase per 100 to 150 words of content, and that allows them to appear organically throughout your homepage, and Google will view your website as much more authoritative, much more informative, and just provide a much greater value to the visitors of your website. So that's going to be my biggest takeaway from this, because your website, again, is very well built out. It's just from my research, and I'll show you this in just a moment, you're not targeting the right keywords to be able to drive people to your website. So a tool that we use, it's called Ahrefs. And one of the biggest things that they do is they are able to analyze backlinks and backlink profiles. So the thing with Google is it can be like a popularity contest, because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you, the quality of those websites, and how related they are to the actual services and industry that you're in. So you get a lot more power and influence from a backlink that is from a commercial painter's blog or a popular website that features various types of home services versus something like your local Domino's Pizza, for example. And what I did is I went ahead and plugged in your home page into this tool, and it did come back with a profile of 182 referring domains, so 182 websites pointing back to you 757 times, and you are targeting 439 keywords, yielding you a traffic of 50 over the last month. So about 50 unique users to your website over the past month. Now, taking a look at your actual keywords that you're ranking for, I guess it would be about 20% are coming from these non-buyer specific keyword terms. So Onyx bathrooms, Onyx bath, it's great for providing information to visitors to your site, not necessarily for converting them into someone who will actually pay you to install an Onyx bathroom, for example. You do have bathroom renovation near me. That's a decent one. Again, near me, that's kind of a toss-up because sometimes Google will not pull that from someone that's actually close to you. That is considered a national keyword. And however, you do have some stuff here from Waco. You have stuff from San Antonio, Austin. So you do have some thrown in there. You're not showing up on the first page for those, but you do have some of those keywords backed in there. Now, I wanted to take a look at one of your competitors. CG&S Design, I have no idea who they are. You've probably heard of them, but they do have a very strong presence online. They have over 3,000 backlinks from 515 domains, and they are targeting 514 keywords for a traffic of about 600. Granted, some of that does come from ranking their own name and from people doing searches for their name, as you can see right here. They do get some traffic from that, but they are ranking #1 for remodelers Austin, Texas. And as you can see, even though that's very, very similar, they do yield different results as far as search volume. Austin remodeling contractors. So you can see the trend here as to what they're trying and successfully ranking for. So I just want to give you a little inside view of what your top competitor is doing and the type of traffic that's being thrown at them by having the right keywords and a strong backlink profile. Thank you so much again for watching. That is the end of the video. I hope that it was informative for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Megan. Her number is 210-865-0718. We'd love to discuss it with you further, and have a great rest of your day.